Next we got to get the fuel pump out of this assembly. So comes with a set of instructions that appear to be pretty thorough. So I'm just going to try to follow the instructions to the best of my abilities and have you fast forward through this one, Mama. So here we go. Let's see right here. Yep, just like that. Place this somewhere safe so it doesn't get bent. Slide the used tank seal down off of the sending unit as shown in figure D. I think that is still in the car. There is no gasket here, so that is still in the car. Not a problem. Moving right along. Using the blade of a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the filter sock off the bottom of the bucket by working its metal lock ring down from side to side, is shown in E. All I did was rip it. I think it's right here. Yeah. Okay. This is just a little filter. Hopefully it comes with a new one. If not, we're going to be ordering one. So let's set it to the side and keep going. Pull down on the bottom bracket holding the two bumpers. Okay. Just like that. Remove the rubber return hose from the metal return line. You will need to make a slit in the rubber hose with a tuna knife as shown in figure H. Okay. Okay. Remove factory fuel pump's power connector by placing the blade of a small slot screwdriver, probably pulling back on the connector. That is you, I take it. I'm guessing that right there, I was going to undo the top, but it appears here is what I'm undoing. Okay, so far this is cake. Remove the factory fuel flex tube push lock connector by depressing the locking gears while pulling down the connector as shown. Need to put some tape around the caps. Well, okay. Well, that was super simple. Where are we at now? That is gonna be over here. Oh, it's purple, so this is gonna come off. Okay, so pump's out. I don't know why I gotta take all this wiring out. Oh. Release the bulkhead connector by depressing its raised black tang in the window open a small screwdriver and pull it off. Now, Okay. Remove the orange connector, slide it off. Release the locking tang on the violet level center terminal inside the black bulkhead connector by inserting the supplied paper clip into release channel B. So now we are working on you, which you need to come off of there too. We had a bit of luck, or bad luck I should say, getting that one out of the hole. This wiring harness here, you're supposed to push the, like in your truck, back up through there and get it out. But it came out, but after a lot of work, and it destroyed it. Someone had to put an end on it like I had to do in your truck. I don't know why we had to take it out and where else it's gonna go. I ain't got to that yet, but here's the pump. Pump's inside of this. So I gotta take this apart and get the pump out. And then, all right, gently tap around the upper seam of the fuel pump bucket to release the adhesive holding it together. Do not use excessive force. This will shatter the bucket.
You're already on step 14?
Yes. You can probe the gap with a small set scrubber to confirm movement. Okay, got a hammer. It said just gently tap around it. It said gently tap around to break the adhesive.
Just hold it over the fire.
Huh?
Hold it over the fire.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that'll work wonders. Hold it over the fire. Man, what the hell's wrong with him? Starting to come apart on that side. Whoa. Ooh. Breaking thing. It looks like it's coming apart. There it goes. Yeah, buddy. Here's the pump. Okay. I think this is where we're going to stop because it says once you have both halves of the bucket separated, inspect lower half for contamination, sand, rust, cleaning necessary. I do believe there's an R for return. So let's slit this hose. Okay. Now, there's the old hose. What we're going to do is pull that seal here off and put it on here. So we're going to pull this off, take this seal, pull it off there, move this seal over here. Just like that. Voila. So I guess my question now is this supposed to stay on? Because it didn't say to take it off. Looks like it is. Somehow you are supposed to go in here. Now, without better details, this may not matter. I don't know. But to me in the picture, it looks like it's all the way inserted. Let's try that. Alright, it says let that set for 24 hours. Apparently, we're gonna have to let this bad boy sit. What's next? Remove the lock from the metal tube by placing the blade of a flat screwdriver under its release ears, pulling them over the barb as shown in figure S3. Alright, well, that is this. Like that. It's like that. Okay. So the problem we are going to run into is this wire right here. And it's going to get inserted into our new harness. So this is where we're at. We're ready to put the fuel pump back in the car. We've done the easy part. Well, let me just say, if this was the easy part, I hope the other stuff is not too awfully bad, because this was easy and it should have took me like a day. It took me like a week, just because I don't have all the free time in the world. Plus I experimented a little bit, broke a few parts, but all in all, I guess it wasn't all that bad. So starts like that, and then slowly, and I do mean slowly, just drops into place. Heck yeah, I'm already learning, doing better than I did last time. Okay. All right. So it's keeping me from going down in. So I'm gonna try to just, I may have to just take the gasket off. Oh, there it goes. All right, sweet. When I put this one back in the Firebird, that little sock filter,
Yeah.
I cut a little hole in it accidentally. So probably need to pull it back out and replace it.
Is that bent the right way?
Really no other way for it to bend, dude. It goes back into the tank. And then it should just, like that.